Good morning everyone, it's Monday the 1st of August 2022 and I've got a new holder for the controller of my drone and it fits on the handlebars. It's brilliant. Well, I'm out today just to try out and practice with both the drone because I'm learning more about this Mavic Mini 3, which is brilliant. But I've also been put onto a little gadget that holds the controller on the handlebars of my bike. So thank you, Buzzing Drones. Can I call you Buzz? Thanks, Buzz. He's a local character, not met the gentleman yet. I presume it's a gentleman. Buzz. That's got to be a man's name, surely. Anyway, so I'm going to try it out. And one of the things I like to do is when you're doing sort of going past the camera shot, you've always got to come back and pick the camera up, which is a bit of a nuisance. But if you're using the drone, you can set the drone as if it's on a tripod, really, keep it quite low. It can film you going by, and then you can just fly the drone back on or further on to where you are and even do the shot again, which is really good. So I'm going to try that first on this corner and then try some more stuff down the bottom there. I'm just on one of the lanes just past Higham Village, by the way. It's a lovely morning. Yeah, it was cloudy earlier, but now the sun's come out and it's really nice. And I've come out fairly early, it's 9:20. So let's press on. So let's put the drone in the air, and I think it was on spotlight actually, and set it in place. Bit of slow motion, nice music, perfect. What could go wrong? Well, something went wrong because I stopped down here and then tried to fly it back. You can see plenty of space in front and above. There is a tree nearby, but I don't know why the sensor didn't spot what was going on. Oh dear, today's little trip is a little sooner than I thought. I crashed it. I don't know what, you see, there's so many factors involved with the drone. It was on point of interest and I was just going to take it. I thought it was here. Oh, there's a tree right up there, but I didn't think it was near that. And it should spot these things and not fly into them. Maybe it's disabled with point of interest. I don't know. I'll have to look it all up. Anyway, I was just going to fly it on ahead of where I was, and there's a screen full of sort of flying leaves, and you think, oh no, I know what's happened here. It's hit a tree. Oh dear, that's the worst thing you want to see. So that's curtailed my droning for a while. I shall have to send it back. Fortunately, I've got cover drone with DJI. I've used it before once, a couple of years ago. I have 2 chances every 12 months. And it takes a while, so no drone for a couple of weeks, at least a couple of weeks, maybe 3 weeks. So these things happen. As they say, no one died. Not quite.